Let's move on and talk about some individual stocks right now. So the first one is Zee Entertainment. The Competition Commission of India has given the go-ahead for the Zee and Sony merger, albeit with certain modifications. So Vahishta is here to tell us more about that. Vahishta.
Well, Zee and Sony, which was long awaiting an approval for the merger, have finally received the nod from the Competition Commission of India, and this is a strong positive for the stock because the Competition Commission of India is usually considered as a primary hurdle and takes longer for getting an approval. So CCI had earlier raised concerns on the merged entity's market dominance in terms of TV viewership, a high fee from advertising, channel pricing, etc. Now for this, Zee and Sony had made submissions to CCI and since found satisfactory, the modification in the proposal has finally been agreed to. However, the final order from CCI could take another approximately 4 to 6 weeks. There are also some pending approvals expected from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. There is also a shareholders meeting which is scheduled on the 14th of October, which is in the next week. Also, there are approvals which is pending from Income Tax and the ROC. Now, while there is a certain reason to cheer, what needs to specifically be watched out for are what are the modifications that Zee and Sony will be making, which at present is undisclosed by the Competition Commission of India as well as Zee and Sony. Now, in terms of what the brokerages have to say about this deal, Zee is trading at an attractive valuation of 15 times its FY24 earnings. And CLSE's target price is at 316 rupees, while Motilal Oswal expects an upside of 16% on the stock with a target price of 310 rupees.
All right, big upsides there have been really called out by the brokerage firms after the CCI clearance to that large transaction, forming the largest media and entertainment company, over 3.5% up in trade when it comes to Zee Entertainment. Shifting focus there.